What is going on, guys? My name's Thomas and I'm an aspiring Forex trader. Now, I've been trading the currency markets for over 5 years and I'm still not yet at a position to call myself a full-time trader. Now, it's been a bumpy road along the way. I've had years of 15% returns and I've had years of negative 15, 20% returns, and I just haven't been able to create the consistency required to become a full-time trader. And along my journey, I would have loved to have someone else that I could follow along that is really showing what it really truly takes to become a full-time trader. So I thought I'd start this channel and this series to really show you the struggles and what it truly takes to become a consistently profitable trader and to make a living off your own trading. So I'm here to show you the journey of what it really takes to become a full-time trader. I'll show you along all my testing, all my live trading, every single step along my journey as I become a full-time trader and a funded trader within the next 3 months. Now, just a bit of background on my own journey. So like I said, I've been trading the currency markets for over 5 years. I started trading back in 2016, straight out of high school. And I originally came across the Forex markets after doing a bit of research into how to make money while studying at uni. I came across stocks trading, didn't have the required capital for that. I came across options trading and something just didn't feel right about it. And eventually I came across the wild, wild west that is the Forex markets. So I started off with a great trading company. I was very fortunate that my first dabble into Forex trading was with a reputable company, and I traded with them for a good 12, 18 months, learning different strategies and developing my own, and took that live and had some great success at the start. My first ever week trading, I turned over 5%, which was ridiculous. It was a lot higher than what I'd expected, and unfortunately it did come crashing down pretty quickly after that. The week after, I had a negative 4% return, and although the first 3 months I ended up turning over 10%, that first year of trading was a down year, and I just struggled to create some consistency in my own trading, taking trades I shouldn't be involved in, not trading consistently, and missing out on trades that I should have been involved with, not journaling my trades. My whole trading routine just wasn't to what it required. I pushed trading to the side. I didn't take and spend the time that was truly required to become a successful trader, and my trading took a deep downfall following on from that. So that was my first year of trading. My second year wasn't any better. Again, it was a negative year. I ended up swapping from the first company onto another company because I thought that what they gave me and the information and the strategies just weren't profitable. So I decided it'd be a great idea to go and follow on from another company, and that obviously didn't end up too well either. And then that leads on to my third year of trading, which was 2019, and again, it wasn't a very successful year. I ended up hopping onto another strategy. One of the biggest issues when it comes to a starting trader is strategy hopping and moving from one educator to another, and not sticking to learn the actual material and the fundamentals of what is really required to make that strategy profitable. There are multiple different strategies out there, and there are multiple different profitable strategies, and there is a lot of fake gurus out there and educators which are just profiting off the innocent and people that don't really understand what it truly takes to become a trader. They show off their flashy cars and all the money they make, and that's not really the truth. And what I found out is not really the truth of what it really takes and what a trader is all about. The saying they say is that 90% of traders will lose 90% of their funds within the first 90 days, and that is extremely accurate. I can I'm a testimonial for that. I've obviously lost a lot of money along the way, and that's why I decided that it'd be a good opportunity to show you my trading journey and show you what it really takes to become a full-time trader. I know there's a lot of people out there that are in the same boat as me, and will learn a lot from my journey to be able to take onto their own journey of becoming a full-time trader. You know, I've made a lot of mistakes along the way, and I'm here to make sure that you guys don't make the same mistakes as what I did. So that leads on to the fourth year of my trading, and this was just during the lockdown period, and luckily I found myself back at the first trading educator that I was working with, which was awesome. They're a great company. I'd highly recommend them to anyone. So I ended up back there, and I had a really, really good fourth year. I ended up turning over the 15% that I spoke about earlier in the video. So it was a great year, and I was trading consistently. I wasn't missing trades. I was journaling. I was documenting everything. I was back testing. I was ticking all the boxes that is what required to become a full-time trader. But yet this year hasn't been the same. I have been in a 20% drawdown for the majority of the year. I've modified some of the strategies that I'm trading just to tweak them and make them more profitable and follow more of my own beliefs in regards to the markets, in regards to money management and taking trades and the way the markets move. And now I'm in a position where for the year I'm still in double digits in drawdowns, but I have fought back from my drawdown, and I'm in a position now where I'm going through and reviewing all my whole trading plan, all the different strategies that I trade to to create that consistency and to create a plan which suits the way that I see the markets. Everyone trades differently. Everyone sees the market in different patterns in different ways. And that's what makes the market move. The market movement is really just the opinion of those involved. And that brings me to today and why I decided to start this journey. At the start of the year, one of my goals for 2021 was to be a funded trader by the end of the year. And we've only got a couple of months left of the year, and I still believe and I still want to achieve the goal of being a funded trader by the end of the year by a prop firm. So I thought I'd document the end of my journey, what it takes to get to that position, all the modifications of my testing, all the modifications of my trading, my actual live trading, everything along the way over the next 3 months to the position where I apply for multiple different prop firms and become a funded trader by the end of 2021. So if this seems like something you're interested in, or if you're on the same journey as me, feel free to tag along. I'll be posting weekly videos. I'll be posting blog posts in regards to trading over at my website with the link in the bio. I'll be live streaming my live trading. I'll be showing you my testing, my journaling, everything that is involved with becoming a full-time trader. So thank you so much everyone for tuning in. Please feel free to smash that like button down below, hit subscribe, follow on the journey, and I'm sure you'll learn something along the way. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.